Right, so let's look at the main part of the lesson. First of all, I would like you to pause the video and have a go at question 1 at the worksheet. So pause the video. Okay, so looking at this question here, we're looking at the pictogram about Dora's pieces of fruit. So the key, this one counter is one piece of fruit. So we've got apples here, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bananas. Now, even though Tommy's pictogram might look different, the value of this counter is more now. It's now 2 pieces of fruit. So we're not counting in ones anymore, we're counting in twos. Okay, so let's see how many apples he's got. So we haven't got 1, 2, 3 apples. We've got 2, 4, 6 apples. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 oranges. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 bananas. Let's have a look at the next question. So we've got some children who are going to say some things. So we've got the whole class have been video calling relatives. We've called 20 grandmas, twice as many granddads, twice as many uncles as grandmas, but 5 fewer cousins than uncles. So we've got grandmas, uncles, and cousins. So they're the 3 groups. Okay, so we've called 20 grandmas. So our key, because we've got 20 grandmas, we've got 2 smiley faces. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So now we know the value of one of these. Okay. So then it says, and twice as many uncles as grandmas. So we've got 2 grandmas, 2 groups of grandmas. So twice as many. So we need to double this, don't we? 3, 4. And now because we know how many is one of these, we've got 4 times 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. But then 5 fewer cousins than uncles. So we've got 40. This is 10. And because we've got 5 fewer, it's not a full one of these. So half of 10 is 5. Okay. But what happens if the key changed? And the key was 5 relatives. So remember, grandma's got 20, so we have to count in 5s up to 20. So we'd have 4. Uncles, we've got twice as many, so double 4 is 8. And we've got 5 less. So we'd just take one of these away for cousins. So we'd have 20. Double 20 is 40. Then we've got 40 take away 5, 35. Have a go at the question 2 now.